Have you ever heard of ozone? Do you know what it is? Ozone is a molecule composed of 3 oxygen atoms. It is blue in color and has a rather strong odor. Ozone is a naturally occurring gas located in the stratosphere, 10 to 30 kilometers from the Earth's surface. It is created by UV rays hitting oxygen gas, splitting the molecules and enabling them to combine with other oxygen gas molecules to create ozone. Why is ozone important? Ozone is important because it protects life on the planet from harmful UVB rays coming from the sun. How? When UVB rays hit ozone in the stratosphere, they are absorbed by the ozone, not reaching the planet's surface. Ozone ensures our protection in that way. What are the risks of being hit by UVB rays? UVB rays increase the risk of contracting skin cancer, as well as crop damage. Skin cancer's ubiquitous nature throughout the body makes treatment difficult and not often successful, and crop damage will add to a decrease in food production, adding more to the current starving population of people around the world. UVB rays also affect marine ecosystems. Marine ecosystems rely on phytoplankton as the foundation of food webs. UVB rays drop the survival rate of phytoplankton, decreasing the base of food webs, decreasing energy throughout the food web, decreasing the number of individuals of each species of marine life on the food web. It also impairs early developmental stages of aquatic organisms and decreases reproductive capacity, decreasing population numbers of aquatic organisms. UVB rays also affect biogeochemical cycles. UVB rays can alter sources and sinks of biogeochemical cycles, especially the carbon cycle, resulting in a buildup of gases. UVB rays also affect materials such as synthetic polymers, naturally occurring biopolymers, and other similar materials. They reduce the time these materials are useful before they break down. Why worry about UVB exposure if we have an ozone layer to protect us? Studies have shown that the ozone layer is depleting and there is already a hole in our atmosphere, over the South Pole, where the amount of ozone has thinned up to 60%. All over the world, the ozone layer has thinned by 5 to 10%, depending on the season. If depletion continues, skin cancer rates and crop damage will rise. What is the cause of all this? Chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs for short, are to blame. Why? Because CFCs do not break down until they reach the stratosphere, where they are blown by the wind up to these heights. When CFCs break down, they release chlorine, which destroys ozone. One chlorine atom can destroy more than 100,000 ozone molecules. What can you do to halt the depletion of the ozone layer? Do not use products that are labeled as containing CFCs. Do not use air conditioners, propellants, or aerosols which use CFCs. Find alternatives, like fans and propellants and aerosols that do not contain CFCs. Follow these simple instructions and our ozone layer will return to normal in about 50 years.